What is up guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you a secret that is going to help you connect with the right people when it comes to finding projects in the crypto space. You're going to need two things for this today. You're going to need a website called CoinMarketCap, and this is just to make sure that the coins you find, the projects you find are legit. It costs a fair bit amount to get onto CoinMarketCap. This is the website you use to find your crypto projects. Then the next app you're going to use, you're going to make a Telegram account. This Telegram account is going to be your very own personal crypto account, which is going to help you interact with people and devs online, build up your network basically, and get into different groups where you can start either promoting your services or just getting to know people in general. My tip in this video is just first get to know people. Once you've found out your projects on CoinMarketCap and you've found a solid community, what you're going to do is you're going to go into Telegram and search on the search bar that project, or sometimes on CoinMarketCap they've got the socials at the top where you can click on the socials and it'll take you straight to Telegram. 9 times out of 10 that's the right Telegram group. And what you're going to do is you're going to start interacting in this Telegram group, and you're going to start basically asking about the project. You're going to be asking them, how old is the project? I'm a new investor and I want to learn about this project. Then the people that are most active, you're going to DM them and you're going to tell them, introduce yourself. You're just going to be like, hi, my name is Rob and I'm in crypto. I want to get to know more about this project, and can you tell me a little bit more about it? And through this, you'll be able to find out new projects, because those people are then going to DM you here and there and tell you, oh, look, this new project has come out. You need to come and take a look at the project. And you'll ask them, how did you find out about this project? They'll say to you, I found out through this group. So then you will be able to get into private groups for free. Once you're in these private groups, then you'll be able to find out projects that are really, really worth investing, because nobody knows about them, because they're not even on CoinMarketCap yet. And that's how you find out new projects, and that's how you make money in crypto. And this is how you make your connections. And I've met a lot of interesting people through this route. You can also find out through Moonark, a website called moonark.app. There's a BSC version and there's an ETH version. That's a great aggregator of coins. There's Moonark, there's Dex Tools, there's Dex Screener. So these kind of websites that list in new projects. And what you're going to do is you're going to find the Telegram group and just interact. Here's a bonus tip for whoever's watching to this point of the video. If you really want to take this a step further, do what I do. Create a review about the project on your YouTube. Create a video, and that will really make you stand out in the community, and then they'll really like what you're doing. They'll be like, hey, this is amazing. I want to know more about your channel. I want to know more about what you do. And then you could even create your own group in Telegram and tell them, come and join my group. And then you can be posting your videos in the group. And that's how I grew my channel, by the way, from 0 to 146,000 subscribers. So if you're interested to learn more, I'm going to include a link below, which is going to link to my Patreon. You can get either the Creators Access or the Brainfeed Creators Access, or you can get the Brainfeed Crypto Academy Access. Both are great. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.